side of fishes and breads is in connection with our own experiences. So earlier we had an sharing, so every group man siguro na ano, so we had a sharing where everyone seemed to be emotional, nag-share sila na. Some of us, like one of our members shared na, I'm so sorry talaga guys because I can't share any talent with you because when I was a child, I wasn't supported, so I wasn't able to have that specific talents to be shared with you. So yun yung naging inspiration namin to come up with this perspective that the world is so vast, the world is so green, the world is so blue, and everything na maging color, no? So like, minsan, hindi natin makita kung saan tayo nabibelong. So, like, yun yung naging inspiration namin and that, then, ayun, so nag-start siya as when the world seems so green, tapos dyan is yung confusion, then, kanang feeling ganit na we're very productive, but at the end of the day, kay murag feeling nato kay murag if i-compare nato ang atong sarili sa uban, murag nothing ra gani ang ato ang gihimo, murag dili hapon siya enough. Then later on, nagadto mi sa blue na pud ang sky, so niana mi na like naku kaayo ang sky, pero kung ako murag feeling na ako kay murag ako isa ka bird na sige ko bump into clouds na dili day tinuod. So that clouds represents our struggles or those hardships na like, so I don't kanang ano like it's very, very dominant for us na yan yung mga ibang mental na mga battle with natin, no? So minsan masasabi natin na hindi sila totoo, hindi totoo yung mga nararamdaman natin, but we need to realize that all what we feel is valid and it is a step for us to growth na like from that specific na mga kahirapan, we can do our best to improve ourselves para maging better in the future. Tapos after that is parang ayun, nag-raise na yung race of shine na like nakita na namin yung worth ng talents namin, ng struggles and ng growth, then nag-combine sila. Then itong like a pine, my worth doesn't need to be defined because as we all know, pine doesn't have a like fruit or like bunga, pero it has its own function. So ingana nga mapag-define sa among self. Then next with that is ayun, a new day awaits like peace and worth from within and to the people who believes in us and who's with us through thick and thin. Kani kay dito sa gi-share ni Irish na like they have this specific friend group where they can share everything, then ihabot na share na like nagit sila specific na bahay na ginaatuan and dito ang camera ma-feel niya even though magsabay lang sila tulog pero ang iyang energy kay ma-boost jud. So it is that kind of comfort na iyang gina-look forward in a day. So dito ako dito naman na-realize na bisag a small tip of friendship lang, it can really help us build na find of comfort sa chaotic na world. So ayun, ang among closing is, ayun, as a journey lies ahead, so we don't know what's going to happen in our next na mga journey if we're together pa rin. However, let's continue to be fishes and breads to everyone, and this means let's continue to be a blessing to each